You know, nowadays, it's not unusual to have an aging parent or parents residing with us. And I gotta tell you that there's one room in the house that's a real danger zone to somebody who's elderly. Now, I speak from experience because my mother, she's 85. She's a little up there. She's a bit of a firecracker though, folks. She's got a lot of energy. She gets around, for the most part, pretty well. But there are some things that really challenge her. Now in the bathroom is a real, folks, I gotta tell you, it's a real danger zone for folks that are elderly. There's a lot of reasons for that. Lighting, the lock on the door, the handles on the faucet, even the toilet, especially if you've got a parent who had hip surgery or knee surgery like my mother has. Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you some things you can do to create a more user-friendly experience for somebody elderly in the bathroom and also make it really safe for everyone. So why don't we let's just jump right into it. I wanna thank Deer Valley for sponsoring today's video. Nothing worries a senior more than taking a fall. And let's face it, you get out of the shower, you get out of the tub, and the floor gets wet. And if you've got marble or you got ceramic or porcelain or any kind of stone floor, well, it gets slick. And that's why it's very important to have area rugs in the bathroom with a rubber backing so they don't slip and slide on the floor, and then when you step out of the shower or the tub, you're not getting the floor wet and you've got good footing, especially if you're a senior that's not steady on their feet. Now, God forbid you take a fall and the door is locked. I want you to know that they make door lock that can be opened from both sides. Now this right here, that may look decorative, but it's not. What it does is it gives you the ability to unlock a locked bathroom door from the outside. Now some doors, you just take a screwdriver and insert it in the hole, and there's a button that you push and it unlocks the door. But there are other variations of these kind of doorknobs that have, well, a slotted screwdriver. You insert it and you have to turn it. And there you go. It's just that simple. My mother, she's been on me forever about installing a smart toilet in her home. And I said, Mom, listen, they just don't make an ADA smart toilet. You know, she's had the hip surgery and the knee surgery, so she needs something that's a little higher off the floor. She was using a toilet with the handrails and the boosted seat, and oh my gosh, those things are so ugly and embarrassing when company comes over. So she's been on the outlook for an ADA compliant smart toilet, so have I. And that's when our sponsor, Deer Valley, came in and they said, Leah, we've got one. So I said, thank goodness I can finally make Mom happy, along with many other seniors that find themselves in a similar situation. So our sponsor, Deer Valley, provided today's smart toilet. It's pretty doggone incredible. Well, I removed the old dinosaur of the toilet, and I got to tell you, Mom was so happy to see that thing go. And I started to install the new one, and what I can tell you I loved about it was so easy because it's one single unit that you install. It was packed really well, didn't have to worry about any damage in shipment, and I installed it right away. It just took a matter of minutes. So let's lift this top off. Now check this out. There's a port where you can add a bubble wash that will clean the bowl. And there's also an air filter too.
Oh my goodness, I love that.
You know, many seniors have arthritis and they have them in their hands, so turning on the bathroom faucet, especially if those knobs are kind of small, can be a really painful experience. So you want to make sure that you get sink knobs that are levers so that, well, your loved ones have something to really grab hold of and it will be less painful for them. You know, I can't stress enough the importance of having a grab bar in the bathroom, especially if you have aging parents in the home or somebody, a little up there in age. And I got to tell you this quite honestly. Even I get a little nervous as I'm stepping out of a wet shower because, well, it can be a little slick. Now, here's the thing. A lot of homeowners, they don't want to drill into their porcelain or ceramic or stone tile to attach a grab bar, and I get it. But you know what? They do make grab bars that you don't have to drill into anything. They're held in place by tension, and they attach, believe it or not, to the ceiling and to the floor. And it is an alternative to homeowners that don't necessarily want to drill into their tile. This is a great option for you. Now, if you want to get rid of that really ugly shower chair that's sitting in your bathroom shower tub, and you don't mind drilling into the porcelain tile or the ceramic tile to attach a bench seat, I gotta tell you, it's a great option. It looks good. It folds out of the way. It's a lot more stylish than those chairs that take up so much space in the shower or in the bathtub, and then if somebody else who isn't elderly is getting in, you got to take the thing out. So recently I installed a fold-down shower bench at the Ugly House. I got to tell you, my mama loves it when she comes to visit. And to be perfectly honest with you, sometimes I use it myself when I want to take a long shower and just sit back and relax. So a fold-down shower seat is a terrific option to keep your home safe for that aging parent. Now, a very simple, inexpensive upgrade you can make to your bathroom is the shower head. If you've got a fixed shower head, you'll want to go with a shower head that's handheld. Not only that, it's very helpful if you have that shower head that's on a track that can be adjusted, especially if your parent is one that needs to be sitting while they take a shower. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a link in the description below to Deer Valley so you can check out the smart toilet for yourself. And listen, show them a little love and tell them, well, that Leah sent you. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.